What's up, boys? Today we're heading up to Salamone. I've been there before, but hey, we're taking the jet skis, boys. We got the rebuilt XL1200 that I did in a previous video. And I just rebuilt this guy. We're testing this for the first time. I already know she runs good. So hey, let's hook up the dually. Let's get out of here. Let's get it, boys. Boys. Come back this way. Huh? Turn this way. Megan. Come here. God damn it. We'll try it again.
Try again? No.
You don't want to ride that? You just gotta go fast. I wanted you to come kind of ride by me, but
You video you on it?
it's hard to tip off.
I'll video you on it.
It's hard to tip. You just
No, it's not hard to tip.
You just gotta lean. It's just like a dirt bike.
I was leaning this way, and it just kept going this way, and I went down with it. What do you mean?
Okay.
You are crazy.
Start that thing up. Come on. Come on, try it again.
You gonna see me go in the water again?
You're not gonna go in the water again. You'll get used to it. Come on. Try it again.
I hate you. I'm going in
Try
the
it
water.
again.
I'm going in the water again.
It's the same thing as just sitting there like you are right now.
Then what did I do differently when I took off?
You turned?
I turned you.
You turned? You gotta kind of keep some speed.
Huh?
Keep some speed. Give her some throttle.
Give some speed. Okay, it's got speed, now what?
Now go forward. There you go, take off. Hit the throttle. Alright boys, just got off a lake. Seadoo ran mint. Seadoo ran mint, alright? But this guy, full of water. Check it. Full of water. This freaking hose came off. God dang it. I didn't put a zip tie on it. I remember not putting a zip tie on it. Hey, sometimes you forget things. But at least it's not a haul issue or something like that. Just some simple hose. But other than that, it was running mint. And then it's shut off, obviously, because it's completely full of water. God damn. What in the world? Check it. Hey, I just pulled the plugs and she got all the water out of it and then she fired back up. So we're good. I just gotta make sure I put a clamp on that hose. All right, now this guy. Alright boys, the Seadoo feels mint. The jet pump and everything feels mint. I think the Yamaha might need a wet ring in the pump or something, so nothing too serious. Anyway, hey, both fully rebuilt boys, perfectly running for the most part. So, hey, we'll catch you next time. Maybe we got some more rebuild projects, stuff like that. We'll catch you later, boys. PowerShift out.